These are biggest mistakes people make spiritually that they don't even know. Pay attention so you don't make these mistakes. Let's go. Number one is ignoring your intuition. You feel something is wrong, but you choose to ignore it. You feel it is right time to do this particular thing, but you choose to ignore it. That is a very big mistake on your spiritual path, and you shouldn't please ignore it again. Not cleansing your energy spiritually. You understand? You carry negative energies, but you ignore it. Now I want to tell you something. Negative energy is one thing that can hinder you, and you feel stuck. You will feel rejected. You will feel blocked. So you don't have to make that mistake of not cleansing your aura regularly, because once your energy is blocked or is contaminated with negative energy, trust me, it is going to be ruining a lot of things for you. So you don't make that mistake. Pay attention to that, please. Number three is trusting everybody and anybody. And I want to tell you that it's not everybody and everyone around you has good intentions. You shouldn't spill out your secret thinking that people have the same clear mind towards you like you do to them. Please protect that with everything you have. Delaying your protection till things get worse is number four. Delaying your protection till things get worse for you is number four. Now, I want to talk about this because a lot of people, they used to say, you cannot do me anything. I know the enemy. No, if you are saying it, please act it. Act it by shielding yourself spiritually, by making sure you protect yourself spiritually so you don't get harm, so it doesn't get too late before you realize that you need to do something about yourself. Number five, ignoring your spiritual calling. A lot of people think that spiritual calling is something that can be ignored or something that can be neglected, but they don't know that this is whom they are, and this is the path that their forces have already chosen for them to work on even before their existence. So the worst mistake you can do as a person is to ignore your spiritual calling or your spiritual gift. It's very, very risky. All right. So in conclusion, what you ignore spiritually can affect you physically. Please take the bull by the horn and do the needful. Do not forget to share this video, like, comment your thoughts, and please follow us here for more. For spiritual assistance, consultation, and mentorship, please send us a DM. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye.